We prepare our students to excel in STEM fields of study and succeed in 21st century careers as leaders and innovators.
I want to be a video game programmer when I grow up. When I grow up, I want to be a mechanical engineer. When I grow up, I want to be a police officer. I want to be a vet or a pet rescuer or even both.
I want to do computer science and game development.
I want to make apps that can help you with your personal needs.
Our program is designed to engage students in these subjects in a meaningful way, helping them develop the critical thinking, problem solving, and analytical skills that are essential for success in STEM-related fields. We work really hard to ensure that our students are provided with hands-on learning opportunities and experiences.
In our science class, we learned about algae and how it was increasing, growing very at a fast pace.
My favorite science lesson was our problems in the kelp forest lesson. We got to learn about how an ecosystem works.
I learned the parts of an air conditioner, how they work, and the problems that are common in an air conditioner and how to fix them. It helps you develop abilities in the future that would help you with problem solving.
We made this nest, all of us in our classroom. It was so fun about grabbing all of our teams and putting our teams together when we don't get.
We're talking hands-on learning, hands-on projects, true investigations where they're digging in and having opportunities to learn, take, and apply. We asked our community what they would like to see in a STEM school, and one of the things that was at the top of everyone's list was having a Lego robotics program. Ms. Silva really took that over and has done an exceptional job.
By the end of the program, students are going to build confidence in themselves and also to build a better tomorrow by becoming innovators and great builders.
Another thing that has been incredibly awesome to watch grow and develop over the course of the last couple years is with our coding program that we have here at Rogers Ranch that Ms. Snow has done an exceptional job taking over. So we partner with a company called Skillstruck, and they've been able to provide us with coding opportunities that I've never seen happen anywhere else.
We were learning how to make a calculator with coding, and turns out you have to look at the tiniest details when it comes to coding.
Our goal at Rogers Ranch is to prepare students for jobs of the future, many of which don't exist yet. We are partnered with different people within our community, specifically Vulcan Materials, and they have provided volunteers to come into the classroom and talk to students about their experiences in their careers to inspire our students to become future problem solvers in their community.
I've built a model, a bowl with eroded soil and a bowl with fresh soil. It helps me solve problems just like the soil erosion and what causes it in the living farms.
I am working on my science fair. It's a VR headset, homemade, with Makey and Scratch.
Our STEM program is a vital part of who we are at Rogers Ranch, and we want to ensure that we're providing opportunities for our students to engage in quality educational STEM-related field of experience to set them up for success moving forward.
It feels fun being here in Rogers Ranch.
I just feel like I gotta live my childhood dreams.
You might not know the dream you want to accomplish now, but throughout your life, you will figure it out.